Hello friends, welcome back. In the previous sessions, we discussed what predictive analytics is all about, what are all the major key components in the predictive analytics. The first one was data, we discussed in depth about it. The second one was model, we discussed that too. In this session, we are going to discuss the prediction part of it, where we will get to understand the crux of prediction, which is a very key component in the predictive analytics. Let's get into the prediction. The output and the actionable insight is what is required out of the prediction. Alright, what is prediction? It is the result of applying a trained model to a new data, providing insights into future outcomes or identifying trends. I'll make it simple. You have written a model. The model is well trained. You are getting a new data. You are applying the model to the new data. The data will be analyzed and insights will be arrived at because you have got a model which is well trained and is capable. And it will predict what are all the future trends as well. That's it, is called prediction. It is the result that we get which is going to get us insights into the future outcomes, or it will help us identifying trends. How predictions are delivered? It can be of different types. First one is the descriptive analytics. It summarizes the historical data. That is, what happened will be very clearly analyzed and understood through this kind of analytics. The second one is diagnostic analytics. It explains with proper reasons for the past happenings, why certain events have happened. That's what is going to be understood through this diagnostic analytics. The next one is predictive analytics. It is useful in the forecast. It forecasts the future events. What will happen? That is the future. Next is prescriptive analytics. It recommends action. It's even more helpful, right? We analyze, but we need to also tell you what should be done. That's all. Descriptive, diagnostic, predictive, and prescriptive. Alright. What can be the predictions? What examples can I give you to make you understand things better? In the retail industry, predicting seasonal sales and understanding where it could spike. That's simple example. Healthcare, we can forecast the patient admissions or the disease likelihood. We can understand the trend of a particular disease as well. For example, during the COVID season, healthcare sector used predictive analytics very much to predict how many people will get impacted tomorrow very clearly with predictive analytics. Finance is a major customer as well. Predicting the credit card fraud or stock price fluctuations or understanding what could be the price of this particular stock can easily be done with predictive analytics. Well, UPS Logistics, you know, right? It's a very famous logistics company. They use predictive analytics to anticipate the delays, and they also intelligently reroute the packages and improve delivery efficiency. All these are possible because of predictive analytics. I'm going to show you some simple example here. That's going to be very easy for you to understand. We will take an example to understand how predictions can be made. The first one which we are taking here is a very simple bird, and we are going to analyze and make the decision process. There are three very important layers or nodes here: root node, decision nodes, leaf nodes. Root node is at the top, decision nodes is at the middle, leaf nodes are at the bottom. Root nodes are represented by blue color here, decision nodes are represented by orange, and the leaf nodes are represented by green. Now the root node starts with the question. The decision pattern, the process starts with the question. Is this bird able to fly? Now it will split into two branches, true or false. Now if it is true, there will be a decision node which will come into picture, where the question will come here as, can it lay eggs? If it is false, it will come to the right hand side, where we can have, does it have feathers? Now when it comes to lays eggs part, there will be true and false again. If it is true, we can identify that as a bird. If it is false, we can identify that as a mammal. Similarly, can I come to the right hand side? Does it have feathers? If it is true, it is bird. If it is false, it is a mammal. That's it. We are going to take another simple example here. Can the animal fly? The question is, can the animal fly? We have not yet categorized it as a bird clearly. It is just an animal which is an input here. Answer is yes. Does it lay eggs is the next question. Answer is yes. The animal shown or taken is the bird. Next comes with another example. Can the animal fly? No. Does it have feathers? No is the answer. Now the animal is a mammal. That's all. This is the way we will be able to analyze and predict things. That's it. This example would have been helpful for you to understand how things go here. With that, we will go to the next session where we can understand the importance of predictive analytics in a very clear way. Is it really important? Yes, it is. We will analyze that in the next session. Thank you.